Today I bring you something a little bit different than my usual multi-million dollar home. This house is listed at 349,900 in Red Springs, North Carolina. It is a magnificent southern mansion that is to be renovated. And to me, this home just screams dark academia or light academia, which I'm obsessed with. I thought it would be fun to put some inspiration pictures at the end of the video of what I might do with such a home. And I would love to know your design ideas or what you would do if you were renovating a home like this. As you might have noticed, there are quite a few fireplaces already. There are 10 fireplaces in this house. This is an absolutely magnificent staircase. I love the way that it has the two arches on the side and then that it has a double staircase going up to the upper levels. So it looks like a lot of renovation has begun. I don't know how far they've got. That looks like it's going to be a bathroom and maybe a walk-in closet. I'm not really sure. You can always, I'm going to try to put the listing on the description box here. So if you are interested, you could always reach out to the realtor. By these pictures here, it kind of looks to me like once upon a time, all that parking lot there, whatever that building is, was probably once part of that property. And then here we go into my design ideas for this property of the look that I would love to see in here. As you can probably tell, I'm slightly obsessed with the dark academia and light academia look. I just think this house screams that look. And again, in the comment section, please let me know what kind of design ideas you have or what you would do with this house. And also, it said that this house has 1 to 2 acres. I'm not really sure what that means. Again, reach out to the realtor if you're interested. And I hope that you enjoyed this special, unique video. Perhaps we can find some more rare homes like this pop up. This was just put up just a few days ago, and I can't imagine that it's going to be around for long. So if you're interested, I would reach out as soon as you could. And always, I really appreciate you watching. And please, if you do like this video, hit like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.